Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing today? Mr. Wonderful here. It's 1968, it's my birth year. Right, this is a Canadian 50 cents. This is an Ian coin. There she is, there's old Lizzie. So we're going to punch a hole in it. Sorry darling, but you got to go. Hope everybody's doing fantastic today. I'm doing wonderful as usual. Right, let's go over to the gorgeous as ever collectible. There she is, looking great, isn't she? Big Bertha. I like them big. For another month or so, then she's got to go. But like you say, Bear, I do love her. She's a good girl. I respect her, and she's been good to me. Right. Let's go back to the table, eh? You probably hear a fan on. My kiln's on at the moment, and it's really hot in here. And I'm just trying to make a few coin ring videos. So I've got a few in hand. Because I start on the market tomorrow. It's exciting, isn't it? Right, let's break out. Christy Burr. Just want to clean up that edge. Quite a lot to cut out of that one. So how you doing, Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians, Alan, Paul from Australia, well the two Pauls, Steve and Claire. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Right, first of all, let's show it a bit of affection with Bernie the fire starter. Oh dear. Right. Yeah, I had planned on going to the market today, but it's chucking it down today, so tomorrow doesn't look too bad, so I'll hit the market tomorrow for the first time this year, and everything should be hunky-dory. Right, we're going to go for this side. It's the sunny side up of the ring, so that goes face down in my little 17-degree folding die. That's pretty gorgeous. 'Cause you're gorgeous. Right. This is Big Red. It's a 1-ton arbor press. You can get these just about anywhere. Let's straighten up a bit. Oops, daisy. There we go. She's a good one. Right, where's Emma? Sandy's sister. There she is. Looks like she's going to have to go soon as well. Ah, there's some left. I'm just going to clean up the edge to make sure it's nice and clean. You don't know cracks or stuff like that. Right, that's pretty sexy. So now we can go over. I get another bit of kitchen on. Yeah, it's been raining all day. We can go over to our good friend Spiky, and he stretches your ring. Sounds worse than it is. The kitchen roll just protects the inside detail of the coin. It's going quite easy. That could be a good thing or a bad thing. It's still got a big bow in it, you see when I get that out. Get it out. Oh, that sounded a bit sad. But as you can see, the bow is out. And there's sad stuff going on. So I think we'll give it a bit more affection. Right. Still haven't filled up my bloody cup. But I think there's a bit of a wobble on it. So I'll just take it over to Big Red and take that out. Oh dear. Oh. Right. That is good. And that is good. There are bloody wires everywhere. So, is there a lip? Yes, there is. Quite a big lip in this one. I'm going to cut that lip out. Well, it's uncomfortable to wear. It gives you a full sizing. Right, there you go. So now we want to go over to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dies. Excuse me. There's not a lot there. There's something. I got my bus ticket today because I don't take my car to the market because parking's a right bugger, you know. And public transport in this country is so cheap and practically free. I paid, what was it, €280. That's for 4 months. And you can use it on the trams, the trains, the ferries. As much as you want. Which I think is bloody good. I'll get a bit more on this one. And everything's new. All the trams are new, the trains are new, everything runs to the minute. You go to England, it's a bloody joke. Everything's old. I took my girlfriend to England a few years ago to see West Ham play, and she couldn't believe it. She said, how come the buses have only got one door? In Finland there's 3 doors. One at the front, one in the middle, one at the back. So people get on the front and you can get off anywhere at the back or the middle. It's pretty brilliant. Touch more. There you go. That's pretty damn sexy. Right, let's break out Kate. There she is, looking rather gorgeous today. Bloody darling. I wonder what she's got planned for the weekend, eh? Oh, Kate Bush. I don't know when this video will come out, because my girlfriend does all that. A little bit of the rub. Tidy that edge up a bit more. There you go, beautiful. Right, let's chuck in Felton John, I made a smaller one today. I just cut the big ones up. As they wear down, I cut them up and do my thing to them. Okie dokie. Bit more volume. Ouch. I think I need to trim it up a bit more. It's getting a bit Right, how's it looking? My girlfriend should be on her way home soon. It takes her an hour and a half to get there, get back. 3 hours a day travelling. She won't drive. I've said to her, take my car. I don't use the bloody thing. But no, she won't. But the buses are so cheap, trains, like I said. Right, get another cloth. A nice orange cloth today. Nearly new. It ain't come up too bad. Rather gorgeous, I think. What do you think? Right, what we got? I like all these marks, like stretch marks. Some of the coins, they don't like it. Up here's okay. Yeah, it's nice ring. That's why I use the kitchen roll. You've got all the detail on the inside of the ring. What size did we get in the end? We got a size. It's quite a small ring. I can make it bigger though. This is a size 8 3/4. I can make them bigger. I can make them smaller. So thanks for your support. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing it. It's free. There's no obligation. Just click that little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video, and you're automatically subscribed. Hit the like button, or you can hit the dislike button. And let me know what you think. And I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.